everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Thu Nguyen from Vietnam eVisa office. Today I'm not going to tell you about Vietnam eVisa, but it is about Thailand eVisa application form. So if you want to know how this visa option works, do stay with me to the end of the video. Before I walk you through the visa application, let me mention with you some basic points that you need to know about this visa option. At the moment, a Thailand eVisa lasts for 90 days. However, the duration of stay will be 60 days and it can be good for single or multiple entry. First, it is a portrait photo. So you can get a photo of yourself without glasses, of course, and the front page of the passport. Like other visa application form, make sure that the passport valid for at least 6 months from the travel date. Besides that, they also require you to upload the financial proof. And the hotel booking, the flight ticket. If you are taking a flight, you can make reservation for return flight ticket. For the hotel, you can just get on the internet, booking.com or agoda.com, and make a reservation for the accommodation. Keep in mind that the visa requirement may vary, depends upon where are you staying and what is the nationality. For some people, for some passport, the procedure is quite straightforward, but for some other passport, they require you further things. For example, when I submit the visa application for my client, he's from Nepal and he's residing in Vietnam. After submitting the visa request for him, the day later or 2 days later, I received an email asking for uploading the full passport. This means that they want to know about the travel history. Also, if you are not residing in the country, you also need to prove that you are staying in that country legally by showing a valid visa or a valid TRC. As for the fee, it is not published on the Thailand eVisa official website. When you get into the application form, go to the payment page, you will see the price shown there. At the moment, it is 40 US dollar for single entry. If you submit for multiple entry, tell me how much you pay for multiple entry, okay? Right here, I'm at the Thai eVisa website. The first thing, just come to the screen is attention. Right now, when apply for Thai eVisa, you just need to submit the form and make the payment online. No need to go to the Thai embassy or consulate like before anymore. The order. First, you need to create an account like this. I already have the account, so I'm going to sign in. The form in general is quite simple like this. Next. For this part, we will upload the supporting document. If you have, for the dimension here, limited size is 3 megabyte. The passport data page, the photograph, you can save it in JPG format. For document indicating current location, for example, I'm submitting the visa request for my client who is
Nepalese but residing in Vietnam with a TRC, so I have to upload the TRC. The travel document booking confirmation, you can reserve the flight, the return flight ticket here, and the accommodation. It can be the hotel or Airbnb. The financial evidence, here it is. After you upload all the document here, you come to the final part, making the payment. Accept, submit now. So the visa application is submit. Now the final part, making the payment. I'm making payment for this, for multiple entry. Wow. The fee gonna be 200 US dollar. Last time I ordered a single entry and the price was 40 US only. And remember about that, no matter if the visa order is granted or not, the fee is non-refundable in any case. For some nationality, getting the visa, the Thai eVisa can be straightforward from the first time, but for some other nationality, they may request further details from you. So you just prepare it carefully, and you can log in the account on their website to update, to supply further document for them. And finally, the result is approved after 3 days. So the status is approved. Here is the attachment for the Thai eVisa. You need to check again all the details and print out this document to travel with you. To submit a Thailand digital arrival card at least 3 days prior to the arrival date, and you can do it online on the link given in the description.
So in this video, I have just walked you through the Thailand eVisa application form. It's pretty simple, isn't it? If you find this video helpful, do give me one more subscribe. And if you have any question about this topic, remember to leave the comment in the box below. Thanks for the time and see you till next time.